Morning, I'm Darrell Pont. Thanks for joining me today. Last week I took out some potatoes and made a little different video. I've been trying different things on videos with the YouTube platform. You never know what's going to be successful, but you got to keep trying. So let's go take a look at these other batch of potatoes I got going here. Yeah, I try to put a garden in every year. Gives us a few vegetables that don't cost nothing. A little bit of work. I mean, you never get ahead of the weeds. They never stop. But anyway, it's part of gardening. I got this row here that looks like it's ready to come out. Usually when it starts dying on the top, that's what they say, that it's recommended to take them out whenever they start dying out a little bit. So we're going to dig them up and see what we get out of these. Earlier this year I put in these two rows. The first row I picked last week. I just put them in where I thought I should put them. And this row here I put in by the specifications on the bag, and we're going to see what the difference is in the yield. Yeah, my garden rows are about, I'd say 30 foot long, 25 to 30 feet. What I noticed in this particular row is the potatoes are bigger, but I don't know if the yield is more. I'll have to see at the end. I got to till this up and make sure I didn't miss any. We got that finished up. Now let's go weigh them up and see what we got. I got this small scale here that I use for scrapping, but it only goes up to 25 pounds. So I'm gonna try to do like 10 or 15 pounds each time. Oh, there we have it. We got 23 pounds of potatoes. They seem to be a lot bigger than the other roll, but we had less pounds in yield. So one way or the other, whichever you would prefer, more potatoes or bigger ones. But the method of planting however you want, like I did in the first row, were smaller potatoes, but it had a bigger yield. And this particular one, specifications on the bag, I followed the instructions. He gave me 23 pounds. But a lot larger potatoes in that batch. So you could take it for what you want. I look at it as I got more in the first row, which I just planted them a little closer than what they recommended. They weren't as big, but the yield was bigger. So at that, I'm gonna call it a day on this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.